Yeah. It's gonna be good. Videotape it. And it's gonna be very fun because it's our first time seeing them.
Yeah, they're gonna be little tiny.
And we waited like a month.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
They're actually better now. Yeah.
And they didn't, none of them got sick?
No, it was just a lot on her. She got dehydrated and you want to hold one?
Yeah.
This one this is a little girl. And this is actually, they each have a necklace on, and this is little girl green, light green. Two hands, hold tight.
You don't want to hold them?
I did.
Okay, which one? Another one? You okay? Another one?
Are you? You know what this one is? This one's good.
Surprise!
Yeah, that one's yours. That's for you. You've been waiting.
Watch.
Sometimes you can't make
You want to hold it? Do you know how hard it was not to tell you?
we fight all the time. You and I, that's all right. We're the same soul.
They sleep all the time, believe it or not. This is one of the late moments, but they're always napping. They're like newborns, you know.
I don't need to hear you say that if we weren't so alike, you'd like me a whole lot more. Listen to me now.
Getting not napping.
To let you know,
Yeah.
don't have to go Sometimes you can't make it on your own. Say